Welcome to the Hostinger Coupon Code channel. In this video, I will walk you through how to use the latest Hostinger n8n coupon code for February 2026 and maximize your savings on Hostinger hosting plans. Using my exclusive coupon code link gives you a significant advantage over standard coupon codes. While regular codes offer only a 10% discount, my link automatically applies a 20% discount across all Hostinger plans and services. Additionally, you will receive one free domain included with your purchase, making it a much better deal overall. To make things convenient, I have listed all discount links in the description and comment box, organized in ascending order. Each link is optimized for a specific country, complete with local currency and language settings, so you always get the most accurate pricing for your region. Clicking the link will redirect you to the official Hostinger website. From there, navigate to the Services section in the navigation bar, where you will find the full range of Hostinger plans. My 20% discount is applicable to all plans and services. For today's demonstration, I am selecting the self-hosted n8n option. Hostinger currently offers 4 self-hosted n8n plans: KVM1, KVM2, KVM4, and KVM8. I will be going with the KVM2 plan, which offers a solid balance of performance and affordability. Once you proceed to checkout, the 20% discount and free .com domain will be applied automatically without requiring any manual input. As a best practice, I recommend using a new email address during registration to ensure the offer is applied correctly. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more n8n automation tips and hosting deals.